Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Edu Abroad with Vijay. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the most in-demand career domains, which is sustainability. Now, sustainability is not just a buzzword anymore. It is actually one of the most in-demand careers, and if you actually go to job portals and look for jobs, there are hundreds of jobs available for sustainability experts. Countries like Sweden, Denmark, Germany, Netherlands, etc. are investing heavily in the sustainability sector, and they're actually looking for international talent. But the question is, how do you exactly build a career in sustainability? Now, here's the thing: sustainability by itself is not actually a career. Think of it as a domain or an industry focus which you can combine with your existing skills. For example, you can combine sustainability with finance, sustainability with consulting, sustainability with engineering, and so on. This means that sustainability is extremely versatile. It's up to you how you want to combine your existing skills with sustainability. In this video, I'm going to talk about the three most in demand sustainability career paths. I'm going to talk about sustainable finance, sustainable engineering, and sustainable consulting. I'm going to talk about how each of these career paths look like and what you need to exactly do to achieve a successful career in the same. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first career path I want to talk about is sustainable finance. Now, this is perfect for someone who has a background in finance or economics. All you have to do is combine your existing skills in finance along with sustainability. Now, how do you exactly do that? There are two ways to go about it. First way is to get an internship. Try to get an internship in a company that focuses on sustainable finance. And as you gain some experience, work your way towards getting a job. Second way to go about it is to get a master's degree. Now, there are a lot of top colleges in the world that offer a master's degree in sustainable finance. For example, UCD offers a master's in sustainable finance. Imperial offers a master's in climate change management and finance. Columbia in the US offers a master's in climate finance, and so on, as you see on your screen. Please don't forget to take a screenshot of these programs if you're interested. After completing a master's degree in finance, you can get several opportunities in this domain. For example, you can join companies in different roles, for example, ESG analyst, impact investment analyst, green fund strategist, and so on. Now, your obvious question would be, what are the companies that will hire you for these kind of roles? You'll actually get jobs at really huge companies. For example, BlackRock, Goldman's ESG division, PwC's sustainability division, BNP Paribas, or even development banks like IFC or World Bank. The second career path I want to talk about is sustainable engineering. Now, this is where engineers shine. What engineers can do is combine their existing technical skills to sustainability to build greener solutions for the future. But the question is, how would you exactly do that? For example, a mechanical engineer can pursue a master's in renewable energy systems and get a job as an energy engineer at one of the top companies. Or an electrical engineer can do a master's in smart grids and sustainable energy and get a job as a smart grid specialist or a battery storage engineer. Similarly, a civil engineer can do a master's in sustainable construction and get a job as a green building engineer. And lastly, a chemical engineer can pursue a master's in environmental technology and maybe get a job as a biofuel engineer or a sustainable manufacturing engineer, etc. Now, your question would be, what are the type of companies that would be happy to hire an engineer with sustainability skills? There are hundreds of such jobs available currently in the market, and in fact, a lot of countries, like I mentioned before, for example, Sweden, Germany, etc., are looking for such engineers with specialized skills in sustainability. A lot of top companies in the world, for example, Google Energy, Schneider Electric, Tesla, Vestas, Northvolt, etc., are looking to hire such engineers with specialized skills in sustainability. So, if you're an engineer, this is definitely a career path that you should look at. Now, the third career path I want to talk about is sustainable consulting. Now, this career path is for all those who have a background in management, strategy, business, etc. Now, here you're not building new technologies like the engineers, but you're actually helping companies build a sustainability strategy, comply with ESG regulations, and improve their overall impact. So, how could you exactly build a career in sustainable consulting? First, and the obvious way is to directly go work for a company and learn while working, right? Or the second way is to get a specialization through a master's or an MBA and eventually then get jobs in this market. There are several top colleges in the world that offer really good masters in sustainability. For example, HEC offers a master's in sustainability and social innovation. Oxford offers a master's degree in sustainability, enterprise, and environment. Michigan Ross in the US offers an MBA with specialization in ESG, and so on, as you see on the screen. Once you graduate from these programs, you will get several opportunities in the sustainability domain. For example, you will get a job as a sustainability consultant, as ESG manager, CSR manager, etc. And the best part about this path is that you can actually work at top consulting firms and their sustainability divisions. For example, you can work with McKinsey, BCG, Bain, etc. on the consulting side, or you can work on the corporate side as CSR managers of top companies like Apple, Microsoft, Patagonia, Unilever, etc. Alright, so these were the three most popular and in demand career paths in sustainability. However, sustainability is overall a very versatile field, like I mentioned before, and there are several other career paths that you can explore depending on your skill sets. Obviously, the easiest way to enter the industry is to get your first experience, be it through an internship or a job, or if you're extremely passionate, you can actually go for a master's degree. Honestly speaking, sustainability as a domain is an excellent career choice. Now, this is not because it's a very popular or in demand career path, but because it can actually help you do some meaningful work. So, if you're someone who wants to build an impact driven career, then sustainability is an excellent choice. However, for most people, getting a direct internship and job in the sustainability domain is not easy. And that's why a lot of candidates end up doing a master's degree in sustainability to gain the required skill set. So, if you're someone who's planning to do the same, feel free to reach out to my team on this WhatsApp number and we can help you get into the world's best sustainability programs. My team and I specialize in this domain and we have helped several candidates get into the world's best sustainability programs. So, if you're seeking help, be it for building a career in sustainability or for your study abroad applications, feel free to book a discovery call with me and I will help you figure it all out. To the ones who don't know me, I am Bijal, a study abroad consultant and a career counselor, and I help my candidates get into the world's best universities. If you think this video was helpful for you, please make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe.